My name is Dixon Ayuka, and I run Bellfeeds Farm Care. And what is it that we do? We provide pig farmers with high quality, affordable pig feeds. And then when the pigs are ready, we buy the pig and process and sell pork. But the bottleneck I think we're facing at the moment is farmer retention efficiency.
What retention number do you need?
90%.
You want 90% retention. Do you have a rationale, or you just feel like that's a good idea?
I think it's a good number.
Thanks for the honesty, Dixon.
Acquiring new farmers is definitely very important, but our long-term growth depends, of course, on our ability to retain farmers and increase their lifetime value.
So the first thing is to be clear on the data. I love retention because this determines everything else in your business. If your retention's high enough, then you'll just keep growing forever. If it's too low, it doesn't matter how fast you sell, you'll always keep losing customers.